Hi guys, hope you're well. Look what I have! I was in Paris for the Hermes private sales. Yes, you heard me well. Hermes is hosting private sales in Paris every year, twice a year. In Paris, in London, I believe, and in Switzerland. Lyon sometimes also, but it's more private. But yes, in Paris, it's kind of famous now. Before you could just simply go and wait, and now you need to be invited. So this is my very first private sale, Les Ventes Hermès exceptional sales, they call it. Very first for me, and thanks to a client. I was not invited directly. I was invited by a client because when you are invited, you receive an email and then you can invite someone else. So I'm the plus one of the invite. So grateful. Thank you so much to my client. She was so nice to invite me, to think about me. It was not a dream, but kind of, yeah. I was like dreaming of going to the private sales of Hermes forever, like forever. And it was insane. So I bought some few things. I'm gonna show you and unbox everything just after. I'm just gonna explain you how was it, where it was, how it was working, if we had quotas, what kind of items did we have, and what we didn't have. So yeah, let's start. So I'm just gonna put this here or here with me. So the first thing is that when you receive an email for invitation, you just choose the date and the hour. So it started on Tuesday and lasted until Thursday night. So my client could not before, so she booked us on Thursday morning, the 9 a.m. Slot, I would say. And you had another one. I think it was like one at 9, one at 12, and one at 4 p.m. So you have 3 slots per day. So we arrived like 30 minutes before, so Thursday 8:30 a.m. in front of the building. It's like plus. Well, I'll put you here. So you take the stairs, automatic stairs, and then you see like and you see an agent. You need to scan the invitation. So if you are the plus one, you need to wait the person that has the invitation to enter the first line. So you go and you go inside the first line, and then after a few minutes waiting, we go into another line where we need to show passports. We need to register to the sales, and it's very nice because it's before the sale starts, so it gives you time. So we were not the first. It was like already kind of full. Apparently not that much, my client said, because she's doing like the private sales for a long time now. So she had advice, she knew how it works and everything, so it was so nice. So you give your passport. I advise you not to wear anything Hermes on you, especially like jewelry. Shoes, obviously you can, bags, you can. But otherwise, jewelry, be careful, and scarf also, don't take them. I saw so many beautiful bags there. It was insane. I was in love. Anyway, so you do this line and then you go to the other one and wait until gates open at 9. So at 9, gates open. You have a long corridor. You enter. First on your left, we had like hats, everything related to hats for the head. So it was really nice. Then you have a first stand for jewelry. So it was more bracelets and leather items. Then you had jewelry also, but more silver related. So you had like necklaces in silver, you had clickage, and then you have all the silk area. So it has like you had like every scarves and everything like silk related. It was huge. There was such a huge choice. It was insane. Then you go around and you go until a section for footwear. So you had women's footwear. It was by size. It was like by size, so it was super useful. Then you had women boots, and you had men's shoes, men's apparel, like prêt-à-porter, and women's apparel. And in the middle, you had like over scarves, like silk things. It was huge, like very huge. Women's shoes, you had lots of stuff, and you had the boots related to. So I enter, we go directly to the shoes because it was where everyone was going. We had to queue a little bit actually and wait. So it was ranged by size. Mine was 37, 37 and a half, my client 37. So we go directly there. And you had to wait that one associate, like sales associate, was ready to welcome you, and you had one person for you, like 1-to-1. And when one was free, you could move on. So nothing was there for me, actually. Everything was already sold, was already taken. Even my client was on before me, of course. So she chose 3 pair of shoes. beautiful ones, like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And she went to the boots, and I don't know, like I lost her kind of. I got out of the area and wanted to go back to the boots because I was thinking I had to queue again, but no, actually, it was in the same area, so I had to queue again to go there. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do the queue again just for the boots. I'm not a boot, like I don't need boots anyway. I'm gonna try to show you on the screen what was available for women, because I also tried to had few things for my mom, but nothing. She's like a 38 and a half, but it was not super beautiful, not her style. I was looking personally for mules and Oasis shoes, but couldn't find any, so I left. Then I went for men's shoes. It was super nice. Lots of women there also, because they started at 39, size 39. Lots of choice. Not too many people, lots of choice. It was super nice. Then we went to jewelry, and I scored kind of some few things. Then I went to silk, and then we went for prêt-à-porter women, so clothing for women. Then we left. So I'm gonna first show you what I got. Shoes. I got the shoes in the end because my client got 3 pair of shoes and decided to offer me this one. I paid them, but she offered me like to take them because she already has tons of them. So thank you so much. She didn't want me to go without nothing. She was so freaking cute. Like, thank you so much. And I was like, no, don't worry. You invited me. It's already such a huge gift for me. Don't worry. And she insisted, so here are there. I'm just gonna show you. So it comes with box and dust bag. So this is actually super cool for the shoes. You have a sticker here, but they removed it. Here before in USD was 1,150, and the euro price they removed it because it was in euro. But probably they come from USA. It's insane. So these are the Oasis shoes. Super excited. These are the Oasis Velvet Goat Skin Crystal Beds Women's Sand. Beautiful. Size 37, and it's rose nude for the color. I love them. It's a 37. I will try if it doesn't hurt my feet. I have 1 pair of around in white 37 and a half that I'm selling if you're interested too. But yeah, super excited. So thanks to my clients, I got the shoes. So amazing. But yeah, I saw some other person that got like mules, but they were on Tuesday. But I believe there were things different each day. Some things related, but some things were super different every day. So I think they were like trying to renew each time. You had so much choice in terms of stock. Then we went to Hermes men's, same box and dust bag. It was for Vincent because he tried to store the Izmir. And I was like, don't buy them right away. We will see at the private sale if I can find them for you. Here there. So happy. It's a 42 and a half. There were so many choice. Gold, leather, color, and inside like orange, as you can see, or maybe not, but beautiful. I'm very excited. So I'm going to give you the price in euro because I paid in euro. The Oasis sandals were 468 euro and the Izmir 345 euro. The Oasis are more expensive because they are with the heels, so it's nice. Every price was around minus 50% off. Sometimes it was like minus 40, minus 35, but most everything was minus 50% off, so it was quite insane. Okay, now I'm gonna show you jewelry, and I have tons of them, tons. I'm gonna show you everything that I got, I scored, and it was kind of an issue because it was 5 per person. So for women's shoes, it was 3 per person, men's shoes 2 per person. Jewelry, it was 5 per person, like including everything. Silk, it was 10 per person, and clothing, I don't know if there was like quotas, don't think. There were no belts, nothing for the home, and no bags, obviously. You have never bags, but well, that's it. Okay, so for me, because I took some few things for my mom also, so the first one I got is a Click H, white with the H, the clothing in H in red. It is a very special one. And the price for this one, I paid 432 euro. I'll show you on the screen everything. They don't come with dust bag or box. They only come in this little plastic thing. And you had the price on them, but they removed it. I will show you on the screen here. The ones, like people who went there Tuesday and Wednesday got dust bags, little pouch to fit them. But everyone for the first day, nothing. I think they were like out of stock. So yeah, a bit sad for this. But anyway, so I got also another Click H, like kind of, it's kind of a red, pink, orange, silver hardware. So beautiful. I'm so in love with it. This one is my favorite one, actually. And the price for this one was 384 euros. But this one, I paid exactly the same price of this one because they missed something. So yeah, I paid more in the end. This one, I think I'm not gonna keep it. Actually, I'm gonna sell it to you because I scored this one in the end. It was not planned. So I think I'm gonna sell this one for you. Same price that I bought it in private sale. Same price. I'm not doing any margin on it. If you want it, let me know. And oh, this one is kind of also one of my favorites. It's like the Loki, and this one I paid 348 euro, pink. Everything here is PM size. It's normally my size, actually. I did not even try them. Or did I? No, I did. No, it's my size. It's PM. Then for my mom, I got 4 things. So the quota was 5 and I had 7. So I had to give 2 to my client because she had only 3. And I gave her 2 items and she bought them for me and I'm gonna give her the money. So it's perfect. So if you have someone with you that has not too much quota, you can put her on her note. So this is something interesting. You could not bring with you the jewelry. When you choose them, they fit them into a bigger bag, plastic bag, and they put them directly where you need to pay. So you do not have all the way with you. You had to go back there. And you had 2 stands, like 2 shops for the bracelet, leather parts and silver and these parts. And I thought it was 5 and 5, and no, it was 5 for all of it. So it was a bit tricky. Okay, so I got her like the Be Happy bracelet. I think this one was for men. It's a size 4, blue. This one I paid it 178 euro. It was so cheap. Then I got her the same as mine, the Loki, but in blue. Beautiful. So the same price as the pink. Then I got her a leather bracelet. It's the Kelly Twist. This one, it's kind of not a new, but as like very new. It's Chèvre Misoré leather, bright pink, and inside is a light pink. So beautiful. And this one was not super expensive. I think it was 308 euro. Yes, it is. And another one, a Click-H for my mom, and it's a beige. And this one was last minute because another one had it. She didn't want it in the end. I took it. So this one, I believe it's 384 euro. Beautiful. I would put you photos of the sale, everything here. And it's not over yet. I know. We went silk scarf shopping. I was looking for a long time scarves that I could wear as a top for summer, especially, and like for the hair, but especially for a top. So I got 2 of them. So this one is a nightie, square nightie, full silk. Look at this, beautiful. I love the combination of the blue, the pink, the orange. It's super, super, super cute. The color are perfect, and I think I can wear it as a top. I did not try it before. I need to check first tutorials on YouTube on how to wear them. And I also got like the price for this one. I'm just gonna give you the price first. Price for the nightie was 223 euro. So it was very good price. And so I was also looking for this. It's triangle, and this one was a bit more expensive, but I can wear also as a top. And this one, the price was, I'm just gonna check, 295, so a little bit more expensive. Then same for my mom, a 90 square, same price. She loves orange, so I got her like obviously an orange one. And I saw another one that she would love because she loves orange and tie and dye, and I think I was sure she wanted it. So I was exchanging with her. I sent her message, photos, and everything. Look at this beauty. It's a tie and dye, white and orange. Beautiful for this one. And the price, I just have my ticket here. The price is 230 euro. And it's everything, like this one is 100% silk, sorry. It's so nice, like, I love it. So this is pretty much all for the day. It was already super, 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 super intense. So in the end, I got shoes. So thanks to my clients, I'm super grateful. And something I didn't know, but apparently when you are the +1, next private sales, you get also normally invited. I don't know for myself because my account is in Spain and the private sales are in France. So I'm not sure I'm going to get invited again. But also something, if you get invited and you're not going to the sale, the next one, you skip on it, you are not invited to the next one. So you need to ask again to be on the list, and depends on your essay, of course. So the next private sales is usually in winter. Finger crossed for me, guys. I will try to be invited. I hope I can get invited directly, or I will see if I can be like the +1 to someone. But it was already insane to be able to participate to one. I'm so forever grateful to my client. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video, it's thanks to you. And it was insane. Like, it's insane. So also, again, if you were looking for ClickH, this one is for sale. I'm not keeping it in the end. I've been spending way too much. It's going fast, you know. It's like, oh, it's not cheap. Oh, it's cheap. It's cheap. You take everything, and in the end, you're like, oh, okay, calm down. So yes, this one I'm gonna sell it for the same price I bought it in private sale. No margin for me. So you know, it's a gift. Voila for the video of the day. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if it's the same system in the US, if you also have private sale in the US or in any other countries. I believe in London there is, but I'm not sure actually. So let me know if you were already invited to another private sale or in other countries. But I know in France there is like Paris, Switzerland, and Lyon. Lyon are more private about it. Never heard about it and heard it like a few months before. Voila for the day. Thank you so much for being around. It means a lot for me. So don't hesitate to like, to comment, and to subscribe to support my little channel. I see you soon. Bisous.